Let's move forward and check the smooth tool. This is very nice tool. What he can do, he can select the face, for example, try to smooth it. However, as you can see, some polygons became dark, and definitely you can use smooth tool in order to add divisions, but while you don't know how the normals work, I suggest you don't do that. So when you're pressing the smooth tool, you will get this pop-up and you can add divisions, as you can see. Yeah, and play with them. Great. However, if we will select the object and apply the smooth operation, you can see our cube became a ball. And if we will subdivide even more, it really looks like a ball. And right now, as you can see, we have a mesh. I mean, it's a solid mesh as well. You can see that we have a history for that. Great. But sometimes we're modeling in SUBD, Turbo, Smooth, in our software calls, or just a smooth preview. So we can select the object in Maya. We have from 1 to 3 on the keyboard numbers 1 to 3. They performing some of these operations in the viewport. So 1, it will be same thing what you can see in the viewport. 2, if you will press the 2 button, as you can see here, it will show what the shape was before smoothing and how the shape looks when you're smoothing. Yeah, so 2 in 1. Yeah, and if you want just to see how it will look in the smooth version, just press 3 button. Awesome. So you can see our cube became tall. Awesome. So I will get back to the original view. I will press 1 in the keyboard and we have a cube. And for our ball, as you can see, we can create it as a physical, the real divisions on the ball, and it's a real shape right now. It's not a cube. Awesome. And if you will clear the history, center the pivot, and freeze transformation values, you will get this ball. Okay, so what we need to know more about smoothing. Sometimes when we press 3 and we like our, let's say, this ball, how it looks like smooth, we can press a few times this button and hope that we will achieve the same result which we want. However, there is another way to convert this object to the geometry, from view to geometry. Select the ball in the smooth preview, go to the modify, convert, smooth mesh preview to polygon. As you can see, divisions are different, but our ball previously in the smooth preview was looking like that, and you will get exact version if you will go to the modify, um, convert and smooth mesh preview to polygon, how it was looking in your viewport. Yep. Okay, so this is it for a smooth and smooth operation.